Afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the MDM Minute. So, as a lot of you know, I have been alluding to 3 product launches coming between now and the holidays. And there are 2 more wishing spheres on the way. This is a prototype of the Wishing Sphere Mini, okay? This is made from the same steel composite material as the other one, but just a radically different design. Here you'll see, the symbols that we're all familiar with go all the way around the side. We're dealing with a 50 millimeter sphere with a flower of life, 3D engraved in there. And I'll show you the inside here. Again, we're using 4 rubies and a piece of moldavite. Again, this one is much more portable. It will be coming with a custom wooden box when she's ready to go in another month or so. Again, the power that comes out of these is amazing. The first one was very, very powerful. The Mini, again, is a radically different design, but yet still brings in minor wishes into fruition. And then we have a pre-prototype of the Wishing Sphere XL, which is a monster. It's a whole different ball of wax. This is just a prototype, which is made from plastic to get the process down. And again, you'll see here, it is very different, the symbols that we're all used to. And something else, this comes with a 80 millimeter flower of life engraved, and inside that we have a 3D universe, which, I don't know what else to say except it's going to bring people's wishes into fruition very, very quickly. And again, this is another radical new design. This is the Wishing Sphere XL. This one will also be coming in a custom wooden box. Probably be ready to go a little bit closer to Christmas. And for size comparison, when you line these 2 up, you'll see it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but they are very, very different in size. But then if we bring in the current Wishing Sphere, which everyone that owns one absolutely loves it, you can now see the size comparison of the 3. So the Mini has a 50 millimeter laser engraved flower of life. The one that's on the market, Wishing Sphere, has a 60 millimeter laser engraved flower of life, and the newest one has a 80 millimeter flower of life sphere with a 3D laser engraved universe on the very inside of that. It's really, it's just magnificent the way the light catches it, and you can just kind of see it in there as I move it around, and the light in the dark hits it at different angles. So the XL and the Mini, the Mini will be coming first, the XL will be coming later in the year. They all do the same thing, folks. It's just a matter of how much power they output, okay? This one's going to have 8 rubies and 4 pieces of moldavite, and will have, again, very differently than the other 2, will have a meteorite that'll sit dead center. And as we get closer to the release, I'll explain the stone configuration and why it's really optimal in this one and not in these 2. Bigger is always better, obviously, and there's one to fit all sizes of your budgets. But the 2 new ones, I've really put a lot more thought into the design, the geometry, and the final packaging. And I should be getting, when I get the production units, I will go ahead and I'll make a video so you can see actually how beautiful they are. Again, this is just It's just I think they call it a mold cast prototype. It will be in the same material as these, but I just kind of wanted you to show you the lineup that's coming for the 2020 holidays. You know, if you own one of these, you know what it's capable of delivering. If you decide for a more budget conscious, the Mini is a really good way to go. And then of course, if you want the biggest and the baddest and the most beautiful, you would obviously go with the XL. So again, the Wishing Sphere lineup is coming to a reality near you. Thanks folks, have a great day.